Well, it's I don't know what to say. It's actually been like about 10-15 minutes now, and she's still sitting on me. Yeah. My legs are starting to get a bit tired and numb, and I don't want to move because it's very rare that I get Keeley out to come and sit on me. Even though my feet are digging into each other, I just don't want to move at all because it's just such a rare thing to see. Maybe she's gonna go off with him, fly off onto the. Oh no, he's coming down. See, he gets dead jealous, he does. Don't you, bud? Are you jealous of me? I'm not trying to steal your missus. Thinks he's just using me. Just to sit on. Like a bench or something. Oh, now you're on my feet. Oh, careful, bud. You got your foot stuck on my shoe. On my sock. There you go, that's better. He's like, oh, I think I see why you like doing it. But it's not for me. His feet smell. I'm gonna sniff my butt in order to get the smell out of my nose with those socks. Oh, babe, it's your 15 minutes. Don't eat my trousers. I wonder if there's going to be a part 3 to this video, because she's, I swear she's just literally found her favourite new spot.